Hello everyone. Today we're touring Dreams Onyx Resort and Spa here in Punta Cana. So we're gonna get the tour started and bring you guys the details of this resort. Here you have the lazy river. And the water park. So this room is a preferred club, adults only, with a private pool and a cabana bed included. This is a king room. And also has the jacuzzi tub on the balcony. And then you have your actual private pool. And just on the other side of that, you have your cabana bed that is private to you as well. Here we are at the preferred adults only pool.
It used to be really good all of the time.
Excuse me.
Here we have the main pool for the Dreams Onyx.
C'est pour ça que j'ai dit à 9h. Nous ne pouvons même pas regarder. Mais si vous prenez la première tour, c'est ça aussi à 5h30. C'est bon. Le soleil.
Here we have the Kids Club.
That place was built based on the Star Wars movie.
Here you have the ice cream parlor. And next to that, you have the burger bar. And next you have the Coco Cafe. And then lastly, you have the Scores Sports Bar. Here you have the Star Wars themed Cosmic Lanes. Hold on. This is the only part of the resort that's not all inclusive. There is an additional price, and here are the prices here for those packages.